Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a piece of gear that's essential for anyone getting into recording, podcasting, or streaming, a USB audio interface. Specifically, we're checking out the MYPIN 2 in 2-out model. This interface is designed to be your bridge between microphones, instruments, and your computer, offering a simple yet effective way to capture audio. It features 2 inputs and 2 outputs, making it perfect for solo artists, podcasters with a guest, or streamers using both a mic and perhaps a line-in source. The inputs are versatile combo sockets, meaning they accept both standard XLR plugs for microphones and 1/4-inch, 6.35 millimeters, jacks for instruments like guitars or line-level devices. This flexibility is a big plus, as you don't need separate adapters for different types of gear. One of the standout features is its audio quality capability. This interface supports recording at up to 24-bit resolution and a high sample rate of 192 kHz. This is professional-grade quality, ensuring that your recordings capture all the detail and nuance of your performance or voice. Getting sound into your computer at this level can significantly improve the overall clarity and richness compared to using built-in sound cards. It really aims to deliver that studio-grade sound right to your desktop or laptop. For those using condenser microphones, which are common in studio setups for their sensitivity and detail, the interface provides a built-in plus 48V phantom power supply. This is crucial as many professional condenser mics require this power to operate. You simply engage the phantom power switch, and it's supplied directly through the XLR connection. Monitoring your audio is also well handled. The interface includes a studio-quality headphone amplifier capable of driving headphones with impedances ranging from 16 to 300 ohms. This means you can use a wide variety of headphones, from basic earbuds to more demanding studio cans, and get a clear, loud signal without distortion. For connecting to studio monitors or external speakers, it offers 2 balanced TRS 1/4-inch main outputs. Balanced connections are great for reducing noise and interference, ensuring a clean signal path to your speakers. A really useful feature for recording is the direct monitoring capability. This interface has a switch that lets you toggle between mono and stereo direct monitoring modes. When direct monitoring is enabled, you hear your input signal, your voice or instrument, directly from an interface before it goes into the computer and back out. This eliminates the delay or latency that can occur when monitoring through software, allowing you to perform or speak in real time without any distracting echo or lag. Ease of use seems to be a key focus. It connects to your computer via USB-C, which is convenient and becoming standard. It's designed to work seamlessly with virtually all major audio recording software on both Mac and Windows operating systems, making it easy to integrate into your existing setup. Whether you're creating music, recording a podcast, or setting up a live stream, this interface provides the necessary connections and quality to get started or upgrade your current setup. It's presented as a versatile tool for home and mobile recording, offering professional sound quality in a relatively compact package, weighing in at just under 0.6 kilograms.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.